Hello Niger Foodie Fam, it's Ronke here. Today I'm going to show you how to make acha. If you've never heard of acha, it's okay. It's a grain that's super popular in northern Nigeria. If you do get the opportunity to make it, to try it, definitely try it. Acha cooks very much like couscous. So if you've ever cooked couscous, then you probably understand. If you've never cooked couscous, one of the things that you have to remember is you don't have to boil acha for it to cook. It's a super fine grain, which means that it just needs to like absorb water and expand. So typically I will go 1 part acha, which is like 1 cup acha to about 3 cups of water. Just cook your broth the same way you cook for couscous, the same way you cook for fried rice. Pour the acha in and turn off the heat. As soon as the acha is in, turn it off, cover it, and leave it for about 15 minutes. And that is enough time for it to actually absorb all of the water, all of the broth, and it becomes super duper flavorful. One of the concerns that people have about acha is that it can get like really sandy. So people get concerned about, well, how do I get the sand off? Just the way you get the sand and dirt out of beans. Try as much as you can to wash it. What else do I have to tell you guys about acha? It's super nutritious. I know it looks like couscous, but it's a whole grain, which means it's a lot better for you than couscous is. It's also local to Nigeria, and I'm all about supporting what is local. So if you've never tried acha before, this is your opportunity, and this is one of my favorite ways to eat it.